Alright guys, today we are taking a look at the Lockin Veno Go. So of course the big draw with this one is the palm recognition feature. So I'm going to show you how to get it installed, what comes in the box, as well as all the features that you can access through the app. So this might be good for you if you are looking for that palm recognition feature, but still want to be able to use a keypad if you need to. And it does even come with mechanical keys. This also will allow you to lock and unlock through the app as well as voice control. So I'm going to show you how all that works, but first let me just go ahead and show you how to install this thing. It is very easy, and everything that you need would come in the box. The only thing that you really need to provide would be a drill or a screwdriver. And the first thing you want to install would be the latch box and the strike plate. I still have the one from my old lock, so I'm going to go ahead and use that, but it's as simple as sticking this into the wall and then screwing it with the two provided screws. All right, so once you do have that in place, go ahead and take the latch, insert it into the door. And again, same idea, two provided screws, go ahead and screw those in. All right, with the latch in place, take the exterior assembly, the one with the keypad, and you're just gonna route the wire underneath the latch for now and stick the tail piece through the slit in the latch. And so it should just be able to hold itself in place. Next, you're gonna take the mounting plate from the interior assembly from the other side, stick that against the door. You're going to route the wire through the rectangular hole and then the tailpiece through the circular hole. And then you'll see two holes to the side of the tailpiece. That's where you screw in the silver screws to attach everything. All right, and then you'll take the main unit of the inner assembly. First, you want to attach the wire. So you'll see you'll be able to click it in through the connector and then just stick the tailpiece through the slit in the middle there. All right, now to attach that to the mounting plate, go ahead and remove the battery cover and you'll see two holes. Go ahead and take the two small black screws that are provided and screw those in. All right, and it's at this point that you would go ahead and install the rechargeable battery. So you don't have to deal with any double A's. You can actually take this battery, recharge it. You simply take any USB cable and you can charge it through the USB slot right there. Interestingly enough, there is actually a USB-C slot outside as well, and that's if you buy the optional solar panel, you can charge it that way. All right, but I'm gonna go ahead and insert the battery in place and then put on the cover.
Please open the Lockin Smart app and add the Lockin Smart Lock.
And then you'll hear that robot voice come on, letting you know that you can start setting things up through the app. So I'm gonna show you how to do that now. All right, guys, so here we are at the app. So when you first register, it's gonna have you set your passcode, and the palm recognition, you simply just place your palm over that sensor and it'll instantly recognize it within 2 seconds, and then you're essentially good to go after that. So on this main page, this is where you can unlock and lock the lock just by holding down on that blue lock icon. And if you actually just click into the lock itself, this is where you'll see the locked status, the connection, and the battery life at the top there. And you can set your notifications using the rich notifications. So here you can choose what you want to be notified by. The door lock settings, this is where you can adjust various settings like one-touch locking. You can enable that. That way you can hold the lock key for 2 seconds to be able to lock the door quickly if you don't have auto lock on. You can actually turn off palm vein unlocking and then auto wake up with palm vein. This way, if you have that on, you can just use your palm to wake up the lock. And then we have the auto lock settings here. You can turn that on or off. There's also wrong try protection. So after a certain number of failures, you can have the lock locked down for a minute. And you can select the failure count. And then there's audio settings, which essentially you can change the various volumes for all the alerts, the alarms, the voices. If you need to change any of your passwords and whatnot, you can click on Manage Access. This is also, you would add additional members such as your family to be able to use that lock. If you have an Airbnb, for example, you can use the temporary password function. That way you can just set one-time passwords or periodic passwords. All right, guys, so I did just want to show you all the different ways of locking and unlocking. So from the inside, of course, you can use your app, the voice control, as well as just the physical thumb turn, nice and easy. All right, so to unlock from the outside, of course, we have that palm vein. Now you can wake up the lock first by just pressing any button and then activating palm vein, or you can actually set it in the settings as we saw, where once you walk up to the lock, it'll wake up itself. And then you can just go straight to the palm vein. So let me demonstrate that now. All right, so I'm back here about 7 feet away. I'm gonna walk up towards the door. It senses that I'm there. Super easy, super awesome. And then as you notice, I've had my palm actually upside down, so even the orientation doesn't matter. So that's pretty cool. All right, then you have the keypad, so go ahead and enter your code. It'll unlock. And then you have the physical keys. And lastly, as we saw, you can use the app or voice control. So with the keys, you can lock. To lock it from the outside, you can also just press that button at the bottom right. And then again, you can use the app or voice control. All right, guys, so I hope that helps you decide whether this is going to be right for you today. But if you're looking for a palm vein recognizer that works really well, where you don't have to have your palm perfectly in front of it, it's going to wake itself up, this may be the right one for you. Has the tactile keypad as well, and the ability to use voice control and the app. So definitely check this thing out today.